Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change FPS in CapCut PC. In this video, we'll show you how to change your FPS while editing in CapCut. FPS, or frame per second, determines how smooth your video plays once exported. First, deselect your video so the Modify button appears on the right side of the screen. Click it, then locate the frame rate option. Here, you can choose any FPS you like, 24 for a cinematic look or 60 for smoother motion. Once selected, press save. Even after exporting, CapCut still allows you to adjust your FPS if you change your mind later. Keep in mind that higher FPS increases file size but also improves video quality. Additionally, choosing the right FPS can affect slow motion or fast motion effects, so adjust according to your project's needs. With the steps, you can easily control how your video looks and plays, ensuring the final product matches your creative vision. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.